everyone, Emma and I'm back with another video. Today I have the Nike Metcons 4. So Nike Metcon 4. I got the idea to get another pair. So I've been wearing this black and white ombre pair for the past 6 or 7 months. I got them the end of June because a couple people, instructors at the gym, had said that these are really good for just like weightlifting, doing cardio, stuff like that. And I have more of a narrow foot, so I was already kind of looking for something, but there's so many different kinds of shoes out there that it's really hard for me to like find something. And even if I try it on in store, likelihood of trying it on in store and then actually, working out and running and doing whatever, I try it on, think, oh yeah, it fits, but does it really fit? I was having a hard time. So a couple gals at the gym talked about this one, so I went ahead and got it. Our local Shields only had this one, the black with the ombre, which, black and white, for the most part, you can't really go wrong with it because it's pretty neutral, goes with everything. So I was like, sure, let's do this. And some people have complimented when I wear this, so I mean, I think it's pretty cool. So even if people would like look at it and see like, oh, the ombre, and look pretty snazzy, and I'm like, all right. So I've been wearing these for the past 7 months, not really outside, so maybe that's why it doesn't look as worn down. I mean, it's a little dirty, but yeah, these are like straight out of my bag. Been wearing them, haven't really cleaned them up. I mean, I probably should have cleaned them up by now, but I haven't cleaned them up, so this is what they're looking like at the gym. Yeah, so basically gym use only. I thought maybe I've worn them outside a few times, like to and from the gym. And I'm trying to think, this summer I might have worn them on a walk or two. I can't really remember. But these are like my go-to shoes. Like I don't know what I would do without them. Which I wear a 9, US 9. And according to my size chart, when I was kind of getting sized, I'm such a narrow foot that really lengthwise, I'm probably like a true 9.5. But since I'm so narrow, most of the time just 9s work for me. Just because, like, yeah, I could use the extra length, but if you keep going out lengthwise, usually it gets wider as you go. So I don't know. I felt really good in a 9. I've been wearing it for this long. I still feel really good in a 9. So I'm just gonna keep going with a 9 for the most part. Yeah, so these have been working pretty well. I've really enjoyed them. So got me into thinking, oh, maybe, because I've never really bought, like, I've kind of stayed like brand loyal before, like ASIC or Nike, or I think that's pretty much all I've bought for like actual like tennis shoes, like training shoes or anything like that. I've pretty much stayed like ASIC or Nike, and I don't know, this one's working out for me, so I'm pretty happy with it. So these were $120, so the price on these is $120, either at retailers or on the Nike website. These are $120. So it's kind of a steep price for a shoe, which it's not anywhere out of like unusual or unaffordable, but it's definitely not not anywhere close to the most affordable shoe. So one of the other people that had these at the gym said, hey, there's other, there's like 10 other colors on the Nike website, and these are on sale, a couple of the other colors. Not all the colors were on sale. There was only 2 out of the 10 colors were on sale. And if you go on the Nike website, a few of them might still be on sale when you're seeing this. And the sale was like 50% off. So instead of $120, they were like $60-50, I think. So it's a pretty good deal. And then I kind of like ruminated over it for a couple days. And I was like, you know, for like 50% off, you know, $60 instead of the $120, maybe I should get them. And based on the colors, there was like a white color with some purple, and then there was like a lavender purple. One of the colors that I've been kind of keeping on my checklist for a while is there's like a pinky maroon color one that I'm looking at, but that one wasn't on sale. But my second choice would be those purple lavender ones, and those ones were on sale. So I'm like, well, it's my second pick out of the 10 color, you know, spread that they have. So maybe I should splurge. So I splurged. They're here, hence why I'm making this video. They made it to me. It only took about maybe a week, maybe a little less, but there was the New Year's holiday in there. So I'm not too worried, or I'm not surprised that they got to me. Actually, I'm glad it didn't take any longer, that's for sure. So here they are. Nice purple color. I'm really excited just looking between this one and this one. Brand new smell, brand new look. Yeah, everything looks to be it's the exact same, you know, Metcon 4. Yeah, I'm really excited to have, like, I'm sure this one has a lot of life left to it, but it's always nice just to have, like, another option just in case. And you never know when they're going to discontinue this one. I don't think they will anytime soon, since they keep coming out with an additional color, like, every season of these. But I didn't really want to go without. And it's always kind of nice to have, like, a new shoe, a new color, something you can take style with. I'm really excited to have a second pair because these have worked out really great for me when I'm, you know, doing lunges, when I'm squatting, anything to do with like a little weightlifting, a little cardio. It's been working out really nice for me. So I figured I'd just share that. Just having a narrow foot and somebody that's been going to the gym for a long time, and just kind of like a regular average Joe that has like a narrow foot, like overall, like, you know, doing machines at the gym, doing kind of like a quick HIIT workout, doing like a body pump workout, anything like that, or like just weight training in general. It's worked pretty well for me. So they're not super flexible, but they definitely have the support right here where you need it. It does have some give to it. Right in the fact that the tongue area doesn't move around, so it's like solid. There's nothing to really. So you kind of have to get the thing is about having a narrow foot is that getting your foot in and out isn't that big of a deal. But if you had like a wider foot, it's definitely when you're in there, once you get in there, you're snug type of thing. But getting in there is a little bit more of a challenge than like a regular shoe or a regular kind of tongue action. But once they're on, like, I wouldn't do anything else. So yeah, and that has a nice support right here, because with me, my foot, you know, is really narrow, like it comes forward, and then this heel part would always feel like it would be loose. And with these, I feel like I'm like, you know, second skin type of feel. Like I can pretty much do anything and feel supported. So here's my new shoe. Hopefully, maybe if they come out with more colors that interest me, that, you know, a little, that are different than these, like contrasting, because like I could get like the all black one in this one, but this one's ombre and it's mostly black, so I don't really see the need to like get the black pair since this one's so close to it. And then with this, I'm never really into solid white shoes just because I'm really bad at wanting to clean my shoes. So probably this like lavender color would probably be as dark as I would go. And a few of the colors on the website are like pretty much white but with like some sort of accent color or something like that. So I wouldn't go with any of those ones. But the maroon one, if that one goes on sale, I'll definitely grab that one up. And yeah, I'm pretty excited to, you know, get to using something else. I really don't have much for purple activewear, but it can like accent some of my other clothes and stuff like that. It might clash a little bit, but whatever. I just kind of go to the gym and do what I want. Anyway, I'm not too concerned about who's looking at me and stuff like that. And if anything, if they're looking at my shoes, they might be going like, hey, those are pretty nice looking shoes. I definitely think these shoes are nice for the price of the $120. Like I would pay the $120 again. Well, obviously I'd prefer not to. So the $60, like it's a steal in my opinion since I get the use out of them. Maybe this will be on sale still, maybe not. I really hope you guys have a good night. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.